Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the story of my tool chest build. Firstly, I'll tell you the place where it was built and then the tools that has been used to make the chest. And finally, I will explain the anatomy of the chest. I hope you enjoy this video. When I made this tool chest, I was living in the town of Zero in Arunachal Pradesh in the Himalayan range. If you are unfamiliar with Arunachal Pradesh, let's learn about it. Arunachal Pradesh is a state located in the northeastern region of India, sharing borders with Assam, Nagaland, Bhutan, and China. It is known for its diverse range of cultures and traditions, as well as its scenic natural beauty, which include lush forest, snow-capped mountains, and winding rivers. Lower Subansiri is a district located in the western part of Arunachal Pradesh, with its headquarters in Zero. The district is named after the Subansiri river which flows through it. The district is also known for its beautiful landscapes. The people of Lower Subansiri district mainly belong to the Apatani tribe, who are known for their unique traditions and practices, including the practice of facial tattooing. The district is also known for its rich biodiversity, with a variety of flora and fauna found in its forest and wildlife sanctuaries. I didn't have a workbench and had to manage my workspace in the corner of the house on the floor. I didn't record any videos as I didn't think of starting a YouTube channel until later. Here's a sample of how I prepared the stock. This is my son trying his hands with the bench plane. Regarding the tools I used, at that time I had a limited set of tools. So I had 3 saws, a rib cutting 18-inch old saw, a cross cutting back saw, and a handmade saw that cannot be categorized as a dovetail saw, but it has 12 teeth per inch. When it comes to the plane, I had a number 4 smoothing plane which I used for all kinds of planing, such as flattening, thickening, as well as smoothing. I also had a poor man's rebate plane which I made by following the Paul Seller's video. Chisels, I had 2 of them, a half-inch or 12 mm chisel and a 5/16 or 18 mm chisel and a wooden mallet. I also had a drill machine which I only used to fix the bottom and the lock. Regarding the anatomy of the chest, as you can see, all 4 sides are joined using dovetails. When deciding on the number of dovetails, I drew them on a paper and finally 7 dovetails looked good to me, so I went ahead with that. The bottom is screwed to the frame and I was worried about the movement, so I made slightly larger holes than the size of the screw. That way it will be able to expand and contract. The lid of the box has a rebate around it so that the hinges can be fixed slightly inside. The trays are also joined with dovetails and there is a rebate at the bottom where 8 mm plywood is glued and nailed. For the lower tray, it stays at this height and is able to slide because of a strip of wood nailed here, and the upper tray on this piece of plywood. Regarding the lock, it is actually a lock for a drawer, so I had to make an aluminum bracket for it. Finally, this is made with Bhutanese white pine and I coated it with 2 layers of polyurethane to protect it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and thank you for watching.